Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm working with washers again today and I'll show you how I made this cute earring and pendant set using beads this time. I think they turned out super cute, so if you want to see how I made this, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, I want to make a pendant and earring set with the same swirly pattern I've done in the past. I'll link that above if you haven't seen it, but I'm going to add a bead to that design. The washers I'm gonna pick are this large one here, 26 millimeter, and the 22 millimeter for my earrings. Got some 20 gauge copper for the wraps, and later on I'll make some jump rings out of 16 gauge copper. So the first thing I want to do is texture my washers. Bring in my block and grab a chasing hammer. Use the ball end here. And the ball end creates some texture. Cool, right? I grabbed 3 beads. These I got from Michael's, I'm sure. They're little Rondelle beads. You can use rondelles, rounds, whatever you like. Let's tie on our beads. I'll take my 20 gauge, pull out about 12 inches for each. I'm going to slip a bead on before I fold it in half. And grab a washer, slip one end between or through the hole. And start wrapping these around once. Bring the other end through the hole. Use my pliers to kind of tighten things up. Okay, so you're going to have wires going in opposite directions. And you're going to start wrapping around your bead towards the top, kind of cover up the area where the wire's coming out. And then you're going to go underneath the other wires coming around. Okay. Pretty much until you don't have any more room and your wires are going in opposite directions here. Kind of use your pliers to tighten things up and just start wrapping each end around the washer. For these, I like to go about 5 times around. Snip that off in the back. And press down. Same with the other side. Wrap it snug. I'm not going to count that first one because it's hidden. So as you're looking at it, they look even. And trim it off in the back. Snug that down. Look at that, that's cute. And keep going with the other two. I don't like that sharp angle. See that? Try to smooth that out. I want the wire to flow nicely. This bead's a little bit bigger. If you use a bigger bead and it's too bulky, obviously you can downsize back down to the size you're using on your earrings. Very cool. Okay, so I'm gonna make some jump rings. I usually have a coil made up, but I don't have one laying around, so I gotta make one. I'm gonna grab some 16 gauge round copper and a dowel. This one happens to be 6 millimeters. And all you have to do is coil it around. I usually go until I get tired. I'm pretty tired, so I'm gonna stop. You have this nice coil. Cut the straight ends off and then cut how many you need. When you do cut your rings off, you're gonna have one side that's gonna be slanted. So you need to go back through and cut the slant off. They do have nice fancy jump ring machines out there, tools. I haven't invested in one of those yet. I'm not sure if I need it. I don't do Byzantine or anything like that. It'd be nice to have though. And when you do cut the slant off, you kind of leave a gap, so you need to push them together. So I give them a gentle squeeze. I don't know if I'll need a bigger ring for this one. You think a cord will fit through that? I guess one way to check, I'm wearing a seed bead necklace right now. Okay, that fits. I have some pre-made antique copper looking ear wires. I'm gonna have to go oxidize these so they won't look odd. So let me do that real quick and I'll be back with the results. Look, you guys, what do you think of these? Aren't they cute? I quick oxidized them and buffed them back out. I used a polishing block, so I use a yellow block. It acts like steel wool, and I come through with a polishing block. That's all I do with these washers. You know what? These have such a big loop on them. I don't think I need these jump rings. I think that'll make them just hang too low. Yay! All right, awesome. Look at it. So cute. I had to shut my shades. It got a little bright in here and a little hot as well. Kind of different lighting now. So I've got my copper washers with those ear wires. I think they're from Hobby Lobby. The extra jump rings I threw on here. Pendant will be a little longer, but I thought it looked cute and went along with this design down here. That's what I did there. If you don't like copper, I also bought this set of aluminum washers. This is off Amazon. All the links are down in the description. There's a lot of them here. And they hammer really nicely. They really shine up. If you don't want to make your own jump rings, I bought these from Hobby Lobby. They're nice, thick gauged, large jump rings. So if you want to go that route. If you're going the copper route and you don't want to oxidize, these are a nice choice. They also have bright copper ear wires as well. So these are aluminum washers, 20 gauge titanium coated copper from Parawire. Same type of bead as these. I ended up doing a figure 8, and this is 18 gauge titanium coated copper in a figure 8 that's twisted, so it's not too long. And then these are the jump rings from Hobby Lobby. So there we go, 2 sets, 2 different colors. What do you guys think? I think they're really cute and really simple to make. I hope you guys think that as well. All right, so I think I covered everything. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the description down below. I've got links to tools, materials, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, my other YouTube channel, all those links. Go check them out. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm working with washers again today. I'll show you how I make these hammered washer seed. And I'll show you how I make these. And I'll show you how I make